today in this class, what we are actually going to do, this is going to be an activity where you all will be given a particular condition with the proper scene. I'll make you understand about that scene, and you all have to do role play. What is this role play activity? You'll get some character in which you all have to play an activity. Whichever you get the condition, you'll acquire that, and then you have to play about that role. आपको जो रोल मिलेंगे, जो आपको कैरेक्टर दिया जाएगा, उसी कैरेक्टर को आपको अडॉप्ट करना है और उसी कैरेक्टर में आपको बातचीत करनी है. एक प्रॉपर कंडीशन दे दी जाएगी आपको. Is this clear?
Okay.
Like in movies, right. So in movies, what happens? Like different people get different roles, right? And they all have to do all those things in English, right? You'll get some proper condition, right? Like you might get role play of a father, you might get role play of a friend, you might get role play of an actor, a villain, a father, a daughter, right? So there are so many activities that we are going to do in today's class. Okay, I hope my voice is clear and everything is okay. Okay, so Muzammil and Swati, keep listening to me. I have a very good activity for you both. The activity is that Mr. Muzammil, you are going to play a role of a student. Okay, you're going to play a role of a student, a naughty and indisciplined student, right? Who misbehave or who is a bad student, I would say. And you are just going to play this role. And Miss Swati, you are going to play role of a teacher where Muzammil will be your student and he does not like to complete his homework. So you have to scold him very hard, okay? As much hard as you can. I hope it is clear.
Okay. Yeah, it is
Clear.
All right. Now it will be very easy for you everyone to play this role, correct? Ready?
Okay.
So we are just going to start about this role play, and in this role play, Miss Swati, you will be playing a character of a teacher, and Mr. Muzammil, you are going to play the role of a student. Okay, you don't like to complete the homework, so your teacher will try to scold you a lot. She might give you some punishments as well. She might scold you hard. So be ready for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, Miss Swati, you are in the class. You guys are in the class. You are teaching Muzammil. You are taking class of English or maths, whatever the subject that you like, and you will ask him to show you the homework. Okay, and he'll say, no, I have not completed. He'll make some excuses, right? So you have to scold him hardly. Okay, Muzammil, are you ready?
Yes, sir, ready.
All right, go ahead, friends.
Good morning, Muzammil.
Very good morning, teacher.
Very nice.
Now, sit down, take your place.
Okay.
Did you do your homework?
Ma'am, actually, I do not complete my work
Why?
because last day I was not. I was doing a work, but evenly I get a new homework. Then I put a book and sit down and write, but I can't understand fully exercises. Then problem in my homework doing. Then I do not complete it in my work.
Muzammil, since last week onwards, you have to say silly reasons. Why? You can't understand? Please ask in the class. Please, ma'am, explain once again. Why did it not ask you?
Okay.
Ask me.
Actually, yes. I understand, but can't fully understanding.
You can't understand? Please repeat once again. Please, ma'am, repeat once again. Ask once again. You ask 100 times. I will repeat and repeat. I will tell you whenever you perfect that chapter.
Next time, I will definitely asking repeated this question. Do not understanding.
No, since last time, since so many days, you have been doing the same thing. Miss Swati, scold him.
Yeah. Every time you say to me silly reasons. One time you said I can't listen, ma'am. One time I will ill. That's why I'm not focused on the class. You are said like that only. Why?
Yes, yes. Every time I say repeat this question and I'm fully understanding. But last class I can't and effort fully effort uh, like the learn and writing. Uh, I hang over last night. Last class is totally can't understanding every exercise. Even in future, I will repeat a question if I not understand even one questions.
You could not understand? Please ask me. Don't repeat again and again this type of issues.
Yes, yes, I understand. Next time I will be 100% too.
I will
No,
complete
you have to
100%. I'll
go
complete
home back.
100%. I promise.
I promise complete 100%.
Yeah, whenever you did not understand the question, please open the book and read 2-3 times. Just read the question perfectly the first. After that, in the question, we have some techniques. Please read the question
Yes, yes.
perfectly.
Okay, okay, I understand.
Don't repeat again. Thank you, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much. I wanted you actually to scold him a lot, because by scolding someone, you will, you can take out your feelings outside. Like, yes, I want to say this, or I want to tell you about this, right? But somehow you completed this
Yes,
perfectly. It was so wonderful that you tried to at least put each and everything in your conversation, and it was fantastic, by the way. Thanks a lot for this. Next, Muzib, I would request you to
thank
unmute
you, sir.
yourself
Thank you much.
and join video fast. Join the video. So Muzib is here, and now again, Muzib and Miss Swati, you guys will make conversation right now. And for you all, the condition is, please listen to me carefully what the condition is. Muzib, you are the brother, right? You are playing a character of a brother. Miss Swati, you are the sister of Muzib, correct? So in this activity, what actually happens in the family, that we always keep fighting with our siblings, right? We keep fighting with our elder sister, elder brother, or elder or younger brother, right? So we actually keep fighting all the time on silly reasons, right? Why did you take my cake? Why did you take my chocolate? Why did you do this? Why did you do that, right? So you all have to play an activity here. You all have to play a role here, that your brother is taking your chocolate. Okay, your brother took the chocolate, and you will have to put those all the scenario into a fight. It will convert it into a fight, right? Like, it will be a very strong discussion about argument and all, right? And then you will it will lead to like, you will say, I'll complain this to father. So you have to put all the things in this conversation. So actually, this is the scene of that activity, and I hope this is clear. Muzib, is that clear?
Yeah, clear, yeah, clear.
All right. So, Miss Swati, are you ready to play the role of a sister? And Muzib, you are a brother, right?
Yeah, okay.
All right. So let's get started.
Hi, brother. Good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, nobody in the family talks like this. Hi, brother. Good morning. Nobody in the family talks to her brother like
No,
this.
Yeah,
is
Okay,
morning.
but
We have wake up at morning. No, so she's
oh,
wishing
okay,
me
okay. Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
as a
I can understand. Yes, please go ahead.
because last night I have took the chocolate from fridge. I have eaten. No, that's why she's talking softly. Good morning. Did you eat my
All
chocolate
right.
like that?
All right. Go ahead. Miss Swati, you're doing good job. Please go ahead. Continue.
Gujip, I kept
Yeah.
in chocolate in myself. There is no chocolate. You ate my chocolate.
No, I didn't saw your chocolate.
Who taken my chocolate?
That I come. Then how come I know?
In our family, no one is the chocolate eaters. You also chocolate eater.
Yesterday your friend came to home. She made me eat your chocolate.
No. My friend came. She's she only sit in
He
the hall. She
no
did not
no.
come to.
She
She did
friend not
not
came.
came to
He friend
bedroom.
came to your home. She friend not came to your home. He friend came to your home.
Your friend?
He, not my friend. Your friend.
Yeah, my friend Sweta did not
Mm.
come to bedroom.
Uh,
She sit in the hall. She go back to home.
no, she went to your room to take your book. That time she saw your chocolate.
Mama told to
Um,
Mama, sa you theft my chocolate. You eat in the balcony.
balcony.
Yeah, she said to me.
No, I didn't eat. I just went movie yesterday. I came late night only.
Yeah,
How
you
I?
ate in the late night only. I am sleep that time. You theft my chocolate. You went balcony. You eat.
No, no, I didn't eat your chocolate. You, I ate my chocolate only. You see in dustbin also. See my
In
chocolate
self
only is
only
there.
one chocolate. That is my chocolate. There is no two chocolates.
No,
Why you
no.
said my chocolate?
Mama said that it is for you only. You take and eat it. That's why I have took that and have
Muzi,
eaten.
friend, I would request you to go and sit at a place. Don't keep moving, right?
Okay,
Don't
okay,
keep moving.
okay.
Please have some patience. Sit at a cool place for some time only. And I continue this activity. All of you are doing good job, guys. Please keep it up. Go ahead.
I didn't eat your chocolate.
Please don't repeat once again.
Okay, okay. I will buy for you another one.
Okay, thank you.
Mm.
Okay, fine. You all have got some chance to play in this activity now. What we are going to do right now is I'm going to ask you about your experience about this class, right? Like, is it comfortable? Is this activity very helpful to improve English language or not? Okay, Miss
Yes,
Swati, I
sir.
would
Yes,
start this
sir.
from
Uh,
you.
Sir.
One by one, my dear friends, one by one, please. Miss Swati, what do you want to say about this activity? Is it helpful or not?
yeah, it is helpful a lot. Before this activity, I'm afraid of speaking. Now I am not feel that. I'm speaking freely now.
Very nice. Good job. Mr. Muzammil, what do you want to say? It's been very few days that you have been taking classes. So how is your experience about the classes? And what would you like to say about this activity particularly? Is this helpful to you?
Yes, sir. It's more than helpful me because this class is very good with activities. And before this class, I'm not. Uh, I'm a hygienic, not a proper and not suitable any class on it. But I learn doing homework completely. They are late, but I could definitely complete it. But
Very
this
nice.
class is very helpful,
All
and
right.
this activity is a lot of both keep learning.
Okay. Okay. That's really fine. By the way,
Yes, sir.
now let's
Okay,
talk
sir.
about, yeah, now let's talk about this activity. My dear friends, this might look very awkward to the new people who wants to learn English language. Like he would be saying like, oh my God, what is this silly activity for? Is this a cinema hall? Is this a film city that we are playing characters? No, it's not like that. This is simply an activity which can help you all to boost your mind. This can help you to stay and to open your mind completely, right? Believe me, if you guys keep doing this
Yes, sir.
activity for 1 or 2 months, you will see a drastic change in yourself. I can understand that you guys have been taking these classes for very few days, right? Muzammil, you have completed just 7 or 10 days at least. Miss Swati, you have been taking classes for 1 month at least, right? So in these duration of the classes, you understood some concepts, but right now you are speaking English with a lot of mistakes. To be honest, this is fact. You guys speak English, but there are some mistakes. But why is this mistake there? Because you guys have not completed those important chapters. You guys have not completed those all the chapters of grammar, right? So that's it. This is why you guys are getting those mistakes, right? But still having the mistakes, our students speak great English with the confidence, right? Yeah, I know there are some silly mistakes, there are some grammatical rules mistakes, but they speak English very confidently, and this is what I can see in your eyes, guys. So I would request you to focus on those all the things. Don't feel shy that you are making mistakes. Don't feel nervous that you are feeling awkward or something like that. Just be yourself, be true to yourself, and follow the activities which are you being taught in the classes. Okay.
Okay, clear.
Right, Mr. Muzib, sorry. I would request you to share your experience. Okay. Please share your experience about the classes. How did you feel about this activity? Go ahead fast. 2 minutes only.
Yeah, it is a, by practicing by this session, it is very useful. By speaking English only can improve our English speaking skills. But like this conversation, we will talk our we will speak by our own knowledge, and we will speak more to share this activities, exercise more. And this is a
Correct.
very useful one
Okay.
because learning by book is by if we read daily book also we can't able to improve in speaking.
Yes.
Speaking by practicing
Yes.
this
Yes.
one,
Yes.
we will improve lot.
Right.
The
Simply,
word,
that is
the
very,
word
yeah.
pronunciation,
The logic is very
the
clear.
word pronunciation.
Right. The logic is very clear. If you guys keep reading books, that will not help you to speak, right? Speaking comes only by speaking in the public, right? Speaking only comes by the speaking in the public. बोलना बोलने से आएगा, right? So with this note today about this, that's all about this activity. Similarly, we'll have these free spoken English practice classes on every Sunday at 9 o'clock. If someone else wants to join the classes, you can share this link outside the group as well, or you can join our Telegram channel, Learn English with Fun, for these free classes on every Sunday 9 a.m. Okay.
Every Sunday 9 p.m. sir, a.m.
9 a.m. every Sunday 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for right now, that's all
Okay.
about this. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining these classes. I hope you all had a great enjoyment about the classes. And
I enjoyed, sir. I enjoyed.
right, thanks a lot for joining this. And at the end, keep learning and have fun. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, all of you.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.